If you are tired of Bixby, then don't worry. Samsung and Google has officially launched Google Gemini app for Samsung Galaxy Watches, including Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 6, Galaxy Watch 7, and the newer Galaxy Watch 8, including Galaxy Watch Ultra. Yes, instead of Bixby Assistant, now you can use Google's Gemini app on your Galaxy Watch. And here in this video, I'll tell you how to activate and use it on your Samsung Watch. So let's find out in the easy steps. First, you have to open Play Store on your smartphone. Go to the Play Store on your smartphone and search for Google Gemini app. Now download and install it on your smartphone and log into it successfully. And after that, you have to come back to your smartwatch and again you have to open Play Store. In a Play Store, on a main screen, you have to just scroll down below until you will see Manage App section. In a Manage App section, now you can see Google Gemini app. After that, you have to download and install it again. Just tap on Update or Install button and after that, open it. Here you can see the main screen of Google Gemini. Now, when you open Google Gemini app, then it will redirect you to your smartphone app. And here you have to follow some steps. Here you have to agree to their terms and conditions and after that follow some steps. And when you agree to their all terms, then it will set up Google Gemini app on your smartwatch. So make sure to agree to their terms. And after that, you can open Google Gemini app on your smartwatch. Now you can give it any voice command like opening apps, opening workouts, setting reminder, timer or any other settings. And for the advanced settings, you have to enable internet settings on your smartwatch. After internet, you can also do many advanced searches like playing music on Spotify or YouTube Music. Now let's find out how to set up or how to make it by default on your Galaxy smartwatch. And for that, you have to open settings. So now to make it our default app, you have to go to settings. Just go to settings. Just scroll down below. And here in buttons as gesture, just tap on it. And here in the buttons and gestures, you have to tap on long face. Here you will see default option is Bixby. Now you have to change it to Digital Assistant, Google Digital Assistant, which means Google Gemini app. As you can see, now it is by default Google Gemini app on my watch. Now when you go to home screen and just hold and press this home button, then you will see Google Gemini is open. Now ask this question. Hey Google, open Maps app. Okay, you can see it has opened Google Map app. Again you can give other instructions. Hey Google, open Calculator app. Here again you can see it has opened Calculator app successfully. This way you can set timer, reminder, open apps, workouts and other settings. You can do many things with it. You can also play music and podcasts. But for that, you have to enable internet connection on your smartwatch, either Wi-Fi or LTE connection. So make sure about that. Here you can also set tiles on your smartwatch and click on Add Tiles. And in the Add Tiles, just scroll down until you see Google Gemini. Here you can see it has continued. Just tap on it. Now you can see I have successfully added tiles. Here also you can use these shortcuts. You can also customize it on your smartwatch. Here you can see it. Send a message, turn off lights, summarize my last email, what's the weather in London. So like that, you can also set it. Right? You can also set it. So this is really useful app. You can use it. Just note that if you see Google Assistant app on your smartwatch, then just neglect it, because after some time Google will remove it. So don't worry about that. Now you have only two options. Either use Samsung Bixby or Google Gemini app. And my first choice will be Google Gemini app. And you should also use it. Now you know how to set up and make it default on your smartwatch. I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.